activity number 16. Game 16.
Balloon activity you have done very well. Carry on.
Are you like stories? Today I will tell some small story. After that I will show the picture. A monkey lives in a forest. He was very hungry. Searched for food, fruits, but not there. He saw one coconut tree. After
By showing the pictures you tell by that one after one. Then ask them to put in order.
what picture is this?
You don't ask amma. By showing the picture you explain the story. Then after that ask them to put in order.
Monkey saw the coconut tree. After
Okay. Keep it down.
he was climbed up the tree. He takes one coconut and throw down the coconut.
Don't show to them. Show to camera. Okay.
He takes one coconut. He throw down the coconut.
Okay.
After monkey was climbing down the tree.
Shuffle the cards now.
Are you understood the story? Are you getting the
Amma
thought?
Talli, you explain to her why all these, those are audience, no?
Are you getting the cards? To arrange correct sequential order.
Okay.
One by one. First one, second one, third one. After you think and answer, what will you do next? Monkey open the coconut and drink water. Drink water and coconut also eating.
Okay. It's over.